Hello, adventurers. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of survival, preparing for motorcycle accidents. Motorcycling offers unparalleled freedom, but it comes with inherent risks. By equipping ourselves with the right knowledge and gear, we can significantly enhance our safety on the road. Investing in high-quality protective gear is paramount. Essential items include a full-face helmet for head and face protection during impacts, jackets and pants made from abrasion-resistant materials with built-in armor, durable gloves for hand protection and grip, and sturdy, over-the-ankle boots for ankle support and shielding your feet from impacts. Being seen by other motorists is crucial. Wear bright-colored or reflective clothing, and consider adding reflective tape to your gear and motorcycle to increase visibility, especially in low-light conditions. A well-maintained motorcycle is less likely to encounter mechanical failures. Regularly check your tires, brakes, and lights to ensure they are in perfect condition. Enhance your riding skills by enrolling in advanced courses and practicing defensive riding techniques. Better skills mean better reactions to potential hazards. Always plan for emergencies. Carry a basic first aid kit and familiarize yourself with its contents. Know the locations of nearby medical facilities and inform someone of your travel plans and arrival times. To maximize your safety while riding, wear protective gear, maintain your visibility, keep your bike in top shape, develop your skills, and prepare for emergencies. Remember, preparation is the key to survival. Take these steps seriously, and you'll be well equipped to handle the challenges of the road. Stay safe, ride smart, and always be prepared.